Hey there, Jayme Thomas here again from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Thank you for your email inquiry last night in regards to our Toyota Hiace van, diesel 4-wheel-drive 2013. As you can see, still here and available. Looks like it's got the hubcaps on it now, but it does have the all-terrain tyres there, as I can see. So just thought I'd give you a bit of word of warning before you do come on in, but not too hard to get changed over. Not too shabby on the front there as well. We'll open up the back for you too, Jayme. Nice and tidy back there also. Now we're open Monday to Saturday 9 to 5:30, so you might hopefully see later on today when it's a bit wet. Cars over 36 years, and we do sell over a couple hundred cars each and every month, so you can and definitely will look after you. Looking like even though they're all-terrain tyres, they're actually pretty much brand new, so that's a positive about them anyway. Come around the front there as well. Looks like a slightly faced model. Open up the driver's door area for it. Does seem to be the worst wear and tear of any vehicle. In fact, it's in good nick when everything else should be. Not too bad. A little bit of cigarette burn I can see there. Any questions, give us a buzz and hopefully we can sort something out for you. Okay, Jayme, take care, mate. See ya.